You dead, Tom?
No.
That makes 3. We're done. Oh, you're not Tom. You're Michael.
Yeah, I'm Michael. That's Tom.
I saw Tom and I was thinking he was dead, and then I saw you.
Nope, there was 4 of us, so we all instant spawned. There's a guy.
He's behind.
Yeah. Can I get underneath there? A big ass hole in the floor.
There's 2 guys over there. Okay, you don't want to go over there. All right.
Trust me, you don't want to go over there. Oh, I hate sticker bushes.
Yeah, no, me too. Bullshit ass bushes. Coming in hot.
I hate these fucking places. I think I'm gonna like fall down and die. Fall through the floor or something. Pretty good idea though. Dude, SpongeBob's right there. I can see him.
Whoa.
Oh.
Coming in hot.
Why is there a stove in here from like the 40s? I need to do some interior decorating in here. I like a bathroom. Ew, a toilet. Oh shit. What? Beehives? Oh shit, yeah, there is. That's a guy right over there. See him?
Yeah.
I can't get him. I don't have range.
I can reach him.
He'll pop out just a second.
Not enough to wake him.
We need to fucking get SpongeBob. We need a plan. Dude, look how many wasp nests are up there. Jesus. There's Buckles, I think. Psst. We need to get SpongeBob. He's on top of the bus. He's on the hood. So is it the same guy?
Yeah.
I need to go steal SpongeBob. I need to take him that way, huh? I don't even know where everyone is.
That guy back?
I don't know. I'm gonna shoot him anyway. Oh! Get pooped on! Headshot! Did you hear that?
No.
Oh, you didn't hear it? It went pink.
Did it?
Yeah, it took like half my mag, but I got him.
Right.
I want to climb this tree. Is that possible? That guy, I think, has an armband. I don't know. That guy bad? I'm asking these questions, but no one's answering me. Hey, Tom, you have any gas on you? Did you have any gas on you? Really? He takes a piss or something like that.
That's gross.
That's gross. You want me to do it?
Yeah, the pin's underneath the cap. Don't drop that.
Especially not here, huh? Oh. Come on, surrender, surrender. We're all dead again. Here, hang on to the cap real quick. I got too much crap in my hand. Alright, Tom, I love you. I'm gonna go after SpongeBob.
I wish I had my gun. This sucks.
Okay, well. Alright, Tom, I love you. Let's go.
Oh, here, put this back in my.
Oh.
In my
Of course.
pocket. Run with you.
There's a wallet in your pocket. Lock, damn you. I'm like pushing it. Oh, it is locked. It didn't like snap.
What happened? How many of them?
3? That's not good. I got my pistol there. Look, Tom, is like a stove from the 1940s. Bask in its glory.
Stop.
He went that way. Back towards our spawn point. Daniel, is there a way to get to the bus from here?
Yeah, back there, but I'm not going that way.
Why?
They're killing people that way.
Oh. Let's go the other way then. I mean, those 9 people are putting up a fight. Friends, guys. Now you can scream and cuss. This is the last game. I don't care. I said booyah when I headshotted someone or something like that. I was like, yeah, get pooped on. Yeah. I hit that guy square in his face mask, yo. That's, to me, that's like a sign from God. Alright, let's go. I hate walking in and out of that place.
You guys are still alive or dead?
I'm alive.
Okay. See anybody?
Yeah, there's a couple
Yeah.
people behind the trailer.
They're everywhere, aren't they? Oh!
You dead? You guys gotta get to the bus.
I know.
And there are dudes there's a guy in front of
Is there a dude inside the bus?
Guys, they can't shoot everyone. There's only 3 of them.
Yeah, but still.
Come on. No guts, no glory. Let's see something. I'll even take a picture of you.
I'll be taking a picture of you. I'm filming. Alright, it's alright.
You guys, everyone lay down to fire. You guys with the pistols, get up close.
Yeah, but last time I got up close. Oh. Tom, can you run to that bunker?
In the bus. Oh!
The one in front of the bus.
Coming out of the bus.
Yeah, he's in the front seat.
Where is he?
That's what happens when you got to
Do you see that bunker right in front of the bus? That little plastic thing? You guys need to get him. You have the rifle.
He's from the driver's side! Driver's side!
I can't. We have pistols. I guess no glory. Oh my God. I'm not dying. Ah. That little kid scared me. I keep tripping over rocks.